Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first Halloween tutorial of 2018. For my first tutorial, I wanted to do something fairly simple and something kind of generic that can be used for a multitude of different costumes, like a ghost, an alien, a demon, etc. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, we're just going to jump right in. And I just want to note that I am sick right now, so I apologize if this voiceover is really crappy, but I wanted to stay on track with my videos. So jumping right into it, I am just covering my whole face and head with cream white from Makeup Forever. It's one of my favorite white cream products because it's super opaque, but you just want to make sure to set it with a white powder or a translucent powder so you don't get any creasing going on. And obviously you don't have to be bald for this look, you could totally adapt this into anything of your choosing. So after we set everything with the powder, I'm just going to go in and highlight the high points of my face with a kind of silver bluish highlighter. And we want to pale out everything in this makeup because that's going to give it the really creepy effect. So I'm just running some cream paint on a spoolie onto my eyebrows to really just block out the color. And this will pretty much work with whatever color brows you have as long as the paint you're using is opaque enough to cover the brow hairs. Moving on to the eyes, we are just lining our eyes very simply. I'm just using the Epic Ink Liner from NYX. This is my favorite liner lately. It's so good. It's totally a dupe for the Kat Von D tattoo liner. And then I'm just lining my bottom waterline with black and then bringing it out onto the lashes a little bit. And then just making sure to curl my lashes and add mascara. You really want to coat the lashes because we really want the eyes to be very dark and be a really good contrast against the white. And then I'm just going into my crease with a black shadow with a pencil brush, and then I'm just buffing that out so the line isn't too harsh, but we do want to keep it fairly concentrated into the crease for this look. And then I am just shading underneath my eyes as well. And then time for the fun part, all these black drips. So I'm just using a water activated black paint. This one is from Mayron, and I am just making sure that it is liquidy enough to drip down the face, but I will go over it a couple times usually to make sure it is nice and black and opaque, because the more you water it down, obviously the less opaque it's going to be, so I usually have to go over it a couple times. And I really wanted a messy effect with this eye, so I just kind of tap it on with a brush and then I pat my finger over top to give it that kind of grungy effect to it. And then that is basically it. I just popped on some false lashes and I put in some mesh contacts. These are from Camo Eyes. I do have a discount code with them that will save you 10% off your whole order, and I will have that linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!